The 2025 Toyota BZ-5X stands out as one of the most exciting additions to Toyota's electric lineup, showcasing futuristic design, advanced features, and sustainable innovation. This crossover SUV blends a bold, aerodynamic exterior with a spacious and modern interior. Its sleek lines, LED lighting, and premium finishes create a visually striking vehicle that commands attention on the road. Performance-wise, the BZ-5X impresses with its dual electric motors, delivering smooth acceleration and a responsive driving experience. With a range of up to 300 miles on a full charge and rapid charging capabilities that reach 80% in just 30 minutes, it's built for both long-distance travel and daily commutes. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, ensures superior handling and stability. Inside, the BZ-5X is all about technology and comfort. It features a large, intuitive touchscreen for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls, paired with Toyota's user-friendly interface. Ambient lighting, high-quality materials, and spacious seating enhance the driving experience, while the advanced safety suite includes features like adaptive cruise control and automated emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Toyota has also prioritized sustainability, using eco-friendly materials and reducing the production carbon footprint, making the BZ-5X a perfect choice for environmentally conscious drivers. It combines style, performance, and green innovation seamlessly. For anyone seeking an electric SUV that balances futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability, the Toyota BZ-5X delivers on all fronts. It's a glimpse into the future of driving, offering reliability, innovation, and excitement in one package.